The secret behind clean professional layouts is usually hidden in the spacing and frame structure. Today, how to design precision collage systems. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert multiple frames in a structured arrangement with equal spacing across the layout. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully for consistency. Select the background and apply a soft neutral or muted gradient tone. Add thin border lines with low opacity to subtly strengthen the structure. Slightly enlarge one frame to create hierarchy while preserving balance. Use position tools like Tidy Up for accurate alignment. Add minimal text using a clean modern